Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Today I have another printed mint video for you guys. Today I'll be talking about their mood diffusers, another new product. If you guys are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Check out all of the videos that I've been doing. I've been showing you guys all of the recent printed mint candles that I've been unboxing, as well as how to create a account on Printed Mint and set up your store so you can sell as well. I'm just going to go over to the Printed Mint website. Again, I know a lot of people said in the comments section that they weren't seeing the same products that I'm seeing. Please do note that you need to be on printedmint.app, okay? Again, you'll see this information above here. You're visiting Printed Mint 2.0. I've been getting my products super fast. So I'm going to go over here to the product tab and I'm going to hit new products. And what you will see is the mood diffusers. They have round, prism, and cube. So the first one that I'm going to check out is prism, but the only thing that is different in between these are basically the shape. We're going to hit the prism and we're going to go over here, and I always have to break down the different scents and different specs about the mood diffuser. They have lavender, lilac mimosa, watermelon lollipop, sea minerals, balsam plus cedar, Tahitian, vanilla. These are the scents. Of course, you guys, if you follow my channel, I'm going to choose lavender. This is the picture of what it looks like. Here is a zoom in. I'm going to go ahead and slide the slide so you guys can get a closer view of what it looks like. So cute. Okay. There's another picture. Let's get into the good stuff. Information about the product. It helps to inspire creativity and elevate your spirit. Diffusers can be used to soothe and relax your mind, body, and soul. They recommend hanging the diffuser in a small space, such as your car, office, or anywhere you'd like to experience the benefits of the aromas. So here you'll get to custom design a card, which is the size of 3.75 times 5.125. The available fragrances again, and then it has the directions. You'll fill the bottle with your fragrance mix and replace the wooden lid and rotate to wet the wood. The fragrance will disperse through the wood, and you may need to carefully rotate the bottle periodically to re-wet the wood and refresh the scent. So it also gives you a warning. Use caution when opening the lid. Avoid spilling fragrance as it can damage some surface. Only remove the plastic lid to refresh the fragrance. Wipe any spills immediately. Keep out of reach of children and pets. So the next thing we want to look at is the design file. And here you have the size for your design file. And I've already designed the first one, and maybe I'll go ahead and design the second one with you guys. You can see how I came about my design. Here, we're going to go ahead and upload my file from my computer. I have it here. I'm going to upload that. I'm going to hit choose. So here is my card file here. Looks really good and cute. I decided to do something that's pretty much on brand. I did a little poem for lavender. So again, I'm most likely going to get the lavender scent, and is currently loading the mock-ups. So the diffuser will come on the card, and then once that comes off, you guys will see the card that I created. So that's basically how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I'm going to hit save. I'm going to put here lavender mood diffuser. For some reason I have my caps lock on. Oh. I'm going to save the design and I'm going to go ahead and put in my name. Just looking at everything here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save and open so I can add this to my cart. I'm going to go ahead and choose lavender, and then I'm going to add it to my cart. And then I'll go back to my new products. I think I'm going to do the cube this time. The card is the same. As you can see, I used it on Canva. I'm going to go ahead and open up a new card frame. And I kind of cheated. I didn't do a design just off the back of my head. I actually used some thank you card templates off of Canva. So you can kind of scroll through here and see if anything catches your eyes. Here, super cute, super simple. And then you can change it to whatever you like. I think this is super cute. It looks like a fun design. So maybe I'll go back to the thank you. And I'll probably change the color. So we'll go with black. And I'm going to keep the emojis because I think this is really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. You could do this. You can put in different stuff, invitations, just to get like different backgrounds and stuff on Canva. I'm put in invitations. There's just so many different things and ideas that you can use here. We have the cube, we have the different colors. So I'm trying to think what I like a vanilla. I'll probably do the Tahitian vanilla this time around. I'm gonna go ahead and hit design. Gonna upload my design. See how cute that is. Gonna save it. And you guys can see it on the mock-up. Super simple, super cute. We did that in less than 5 minutes. This is where the diffuser will go. This is the card. Of course, if you don't want the diffuser to be in the way of the card, you can move the thank you and everything down. But to me, I don't think it matters because what you're going to do is actually take the diffuser off anyway. That is an option for you. But yeah, so I'm going to just put thank you, move diffuser. And again, this is the cube. I'm going to go ahead and hit save and open. We designed the mood diffuser on the prism and the cube. I will go over to the round one. I think I'm going to get the Tahitian vanilla. And I'm going to add that to my cart. And then I'm just going to go to the new products again. You guys just can get a good view at what the round one looks like. We clicked on the round one. All of the sizes for design is the same. So here's the round one. You can see the oil on the inside. All of the ribbons and the tops look the same. This is what you're getting, just different shapes. I'm going to go ahead and order these 2 diffusers. And as always, when they come, I will do an unboxing for you, let you guys know how good they smell and all of that good stuff. So far for those 2 samples, the total came to $16.50. I do my twine and my craft paper, so as always you'll see that additional fee for my deluxe packaging. And the next video you guys will see will be me unboxing my mood diffusers from Printed Mint. I hope you're enjoying my content and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.